Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. I am Nurul Nadhirah and I am here today to share with you guys about an algorithm, flowchart and pseudocode in Java. Algorithm is the idea behind the computer program that solves a well-specified problem in a general way. It is specified by describing the set of instance input it must work on, and also describing the desired properties of the output. I will give one example of an algorithm. Just imagine that we want to log into Facebook account. But before that, please remember that an algorithm is a step-by-step procedure to solve a given problem. So, it should be like this. First, go to www.facebook.com and then enter email ID and password and then click on login button. So this is how to write an algorithm in simple English. Next, a representation of algorithm. A single algorithm can be represented in many ways, such as formulas, words, flowcharts, and lastly is pseudocode. Now, we go through the flowchart. Flowchart is a graph used to show a step-by-step solution using symbols which represent a task or the easy way to understand it. Or we can say that flowchart actually is a type of diagram that represents an algorithm or process. It is an alternative to pseudocoding, whereas a pseudocode description is verbal, while a flowchart is graphical in nature. Next, I will show to you guys the flowchart symbols. So, this is a flowchart symbols, and basically this is a symbol flowchart that commonly we use. This oval for start or end, and then this line for arrows, and this parallelogram for input or output, and then this rectangle for process, and lastly this diamond for decision. There are three basic control structures. First, sequence. Next, selection or decision. And lastly is repetition, or we call it loop. So this is a writing flowchart for control structure. Pseudocode is a way of expressing an algorithms that use a mixture of English phrases and indentation to make the steps in the solution, and there are no grammar rules in the pseudocode. Pseudocode also is a semi-formal English-like language with limited vocabulary that can be used to design and describe the algorithm. Now, I want to show to you guys one of example pseudocode. So this is example of pseudocode, and this pseudocode is to determine whether the inserted number is odd number or even number. So I will show to you guys how this pseudocode is functioned in NetBeans. And I will open the NetBeans. Alright, so this is a NetBeans, and I'm already put the coding into the NetBeans from the pseudocode just now. And then let's see what's the result. So I will run this one. Alright, and then I need to insert the number, and I'm choose 17. So I will click enter. So 17 is the odd number. So this is how the pseudocode function in NetBeans. So that's all from me today. I hope you guys enjoy this video and you guys can get some knowledge about what is an algorithm, flowchart, and pseudocode. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.